The Land Cruiser that originally cost 1,500,000 yen is now worth only 50,000, having driven 510,000 kilometers. The former off-road king is now just a pile of scrap metal, with the overall condition of the car being very poor. The car is full of local specialties. The chassis is severely rusted, the engine power has decreased, and there are oil and water leaks. However, fans see that we can refurbish even the most broken cars into nearly new ones, so they asked us to restore this beloved car to a nearly new condition.
Next, Xiaohan will spend 1 month to restore this car to a nearly new condition. Let's wait and see.
Without further ado, let's take it apart thoroughly. That's space cleaning. What kind of road conditions could make the car like this? Remove all the age-damping adhesive, clean the dirt.
The car body and chassis are separated, and the Samsung engine is heavily modified.
Does anyone want to use Inner Mongolia bulldozer? No wonder the power is weak and fuel consumption is high. The frame is filled, the bushings are aging, and the base is rusted. First, let's reduce the weight and lower the fuel consumption.
Before cleaning, after cleaning. First, take a clean shot of the rusted chassis. Are all the chassis parts not working either?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Enter the paint room for anti-rust refurbishment. Apply primer for rust prevention, then spray diamond paint for refurbishment. Spray balance weights inside the beam to isolate moisture and prevent corrosion. Sandblast and repair rusted screws and parts with copper.
preparations are complete, begin assembly.
The old chassis refurbishment is complete. Brand new beam bushings have been installed.
Now, let's address the oil leak, water leak. The engine is leaking from all directions. This is the engine's.
The fountain pen is scratched, and the piston is all messed up. High temperature, ultrasonic cleaning in the pot. Let's start assembling the engine. All the parts are ready. After watching so many episodes, you should have learned by now. This time, let's assemble it together. Clean the interior thoroughly again and redo the soundproofing.
The entire car is finely polished and repainted.
Apply primer.
Refine again. Spray color paint. Then spray parrot green paint.
High temperature baking paint increases paint adhesion. Look at the parrot paint after spraying. It's so shiny, even without polishing. That's wrapping renovation, perforation, genuine leather sewing.
The peeling plastic was also sanded and repainted, directly changed to black since it's more dirt resistant. Now let's start the reassembly of the interior. Like and support. The beloved car of this Inner Mongolia fan has been successfully refurbished in 2 months, from being covered in dirt to now looking brand new.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.